Alright, so today I want to show you guys how you can make money off of just playing games on your phone. Now I do have other ways to make money via your phone, and I will be making videos for that, so stay tuned for that. As a matter of fact, let me show you some of the apps. I know you can barely see it, but here they are, and there's some more. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the app is called Misplay. As you can see, it's right there. Now the way it works is that it lets you play games while you earn points, and then these points can be converted into money or gift cards. Now here's the thing, I don't want to get your hopes high or low. Everyone's different. Actually, I was talking to someone in the chat, because there's an actual chat service here, where he says he literally uses this just so he could pay off his PSN account or his live account or something like that. I forgot what he said, but he says he pretty much gets like $10 or $20 out of it per month. I mean, that's not to say one can make more or one can make less. So let's start with that. First off, with this tab right here, you're first going to be showed off with a game that they promote, the games that you're playing, and then games that you could obviously get so you could start earning points. Here is the chat. You can literally talk to anyone that you want. The way you interact with people, I'll show you that in a bit. Here's the shop, so you could pretty much, with the units that you've been getting, with the points that I'm talking about, they're called units in this system. You could buy avatars if you wanted to. Amazon gift cards, the conversion. So 1,800 units equals $5 US dollars, or 3,000 units equals 10 US dollars. Same for Visa, which is how you cash out. The Play Store, of course, the PlayStation Store card, Xbox, of course, GameStop as well. We also have iTunes, eBay, and the Nintendo eShop card. That's freaking amazing. The fact that they have all these types of gift cards, I respect that. We also have bonuses. Now this little red thing right here, that's a little fire emblem or logo. Let me just show you that right now. So if you play for a bit every single day, at the end of the week you'll get a bonus. So for me, I'll get 29 units if I keep playing, and it does rack up every single week that you actually complete. So the first week I think I got like 7 or 9 units. The second week I got 22, and the third week, which is this week, it's 29. So Misplay does have contests. The last contest that I entered was for a laptop that I didn't win. And then this one that's gonna end in 12 days, you get a chance to win 15,000 units. Now this little ticket right here is the same little logo up here. So what that is the requirements to enter. There's usually 3 requirements, which is what you see up here. It's 1 out of 3, so I accomplished one of the requirements. Oh, game badges. This is pretty much like achievements from the game, and if you complete them, obviously you get badges and you get rewarded for that. You can invite your friends to get more units, and also if you follow them, like them, subscribe, all that, you get more units. The last profile, pretty much how much you played, how much experience you have, how many followers, and such like that. Alright, so the way I pick games is based on the unit rates that they have. By that you could tell by this little logo right here. So this game specifically, gives you twice the amount of units that one would usually get. And then some games, and we go all the way to the top, will give you 3 times the amount of units or more. Now for every game, there's going to be the achievement system, the actual chat for the game itself, the scoreboard, obviously. So right here, everyone's playing this game. You could chat it up with people. Right now I have 2,000 units, and as you can see, it's just me just playing. Just playing. So I get units by reaching the game levels in there, reaching some achievements in the game, leveling up in the game, leveling up in the app. There's a lot of XP going around, honestly. But as you can see, in this game I reached level 9, so I got 107 units. Whereas this one I reached level 5 and I got 70 units. So the more you play, the more leveled up you get, the more units you get. So pretty much that's what makes you stick around and play more and more, and just grind it out. You see, I'm almost level 8 in this one, so if I get some player experience by just playing and leveling up in the game, then I get to level up in the app, and that gives me more points to go for. Which one am I super close to getting? Okay, Yahtzee, I'm always close to getting it. So if I put that play button, it's gonna automatically go to the game. And if I show you real quick, it says that it's recording your game time. So it's not actually video recording, it's just recording what your level, your experience, your time on the game. So yeah, just play normally, like if you would any other day in the bus, or if you need to kill time, just play. It'll record your time and you'll get points off of it. The games that come out sometimes suck, and sometimes they're really good. Sometimes you get these small little developers that make these small games, and sometimes you get these big games that everyone's talking about, like Summon a War. It's even in YouTube ads, you know, like it's a really known game. Tap-In, that's another game that a lot of people know of. Vikings, I heard of it. Bingo, of course. Yahtzee, that's another one. Coin Master, that's another one that you know, it's somewhat familiar. Word Life, I think, is also a familiar. Raid, like even Raid is here. I know that's a big one. I've been using this app for like 2 to 3 weeks now. Back then I used to like really grind it out, play every second, every moment. Like September the 24th, I did all this. That's a lot of units. And then the 25th, I didn't really play. But as you can see, even though this day I really grinded it out, I only reached level 7 on this game and I got 105 units. So it really shows that if you keep playing a certain game, you will get more units. All you have to do is get a game here from the selection that you actually like. So like Board Kings, click the install game and it will monitor all your progress and give you points for it. Honestly, it's a pretty cool way. I mean, if you're gonna play on your phone or be on your phone, you might as well have this into your pocket. So right here it says you will unlock new units and player experience and 500 GXP game experience. So you get player experience from game experience. It's kind of complicated. There is a tutorial actually. If you go to your profile, click on the little options menu, you'll get options for your rewards, settings, codes. Sometimes they give out codes. They are active on their social medias, and sometimes they give out codes to give you free units. Terms, privacies, and frequently asked questions is really generic, and tutorial if you're kind of confused still. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and add me and chat with me, I guess. Also go down in the description so you guys could test it out yourselves to see if you actually like it. I mean, go ahead and try it. You might like it. But anyways guys, thanks so much for watching, and peace.